Neogen Chemicals Ltd, an organic and inorganic chemicals manufacturer, with a market cap of 3,629 crore rupees, and currently trading at 1,376 rupees per share. The company has a 31% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 20% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was incorporated in the year 1991. They are based in Thane, Maharashtra, with more than 580 employees. The company manufactures organic and inorganic chemicals, which are used in diverse industries like pharmaceutical, agrochemicals, flavors and fragrances, and engineering. They have 4 manufacturing plants and 2 research and development facilities. They got listed on NSE and BSE in 2019, with an IPO price band of 212 to 215 rupees per share. The company has 4 manufacturing plants pan-India located in Mahape, Maharashtra, Vadodara, Gujarat, Dahej, Gujarat, and Hyderabad, Telangana, encompassing more than 58 acres of land. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year, showing steady growth. There has been a small drop in the promoters' holding of the company due to recent shares allotment to non-promoters. There are some foreign investments in the company, which are slowly increasing. We can see a good portion of domestic investments, which are also increasing from quarter to quarter. In November 2023, the company allotted around 14 lakhs shares at a premium of 1,744 rupees to non-promoters, which is more than its current trading price. Some clients of the company are Ostom Chemicals, Thermax, Voltas, Piramal, Sun Pharma, Solvay, and many more. The company has good clientele from both domestic and international market. Coming to some key highlights. Company signed an agreement with MU Ionic Solutions, Japan for manufacturing electrolyte solutions in India. In 2024, they acquired Bulichem to strengthen their product offerings in pharma and agrochemical industries. Company is planning to increase its electrolyte production capacity from 1,000 to 5,000 metric tons by June 2024. They manufacture more than 244 diverse products and export to over 29 countries. They have over 1,550 customers within India and globally from United States, Europe, China, Japan, and Middle East. The revenue concentration of the company is 48% from exports and 52% from domestic. Company holds various certifications for process, quality, environment, and safety standards. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.